that are coming in of this Cascade scandal in Jharkhand that has now exposed the corruption syndicate under Scanner, and the diary entries have also exposed the rot that goes higher up. The transfer posting ring that has been busted, and this is as far as when it comes to pay money to buy post. This is a racket that has now been exposed where the Congress Mantri and party chief letters to the chief minister that has also now been talked about. Let me go across to Pranesh now. Pranesh, it is going higher up in the level as far as in the hierarchy is concerned, but what are these details and documents that are now coming forth?
Amita, the cash haul is only the tip of the iceberg, and the reason I am saying it is because some of the documents that have been seized from the place where cash was found, they are not just incriminating, it also indicates at the level at which this corruption syndicate was operating. To start with, letters written to the chief minister has been found, and who was this man? He was the servant or the house help of the aide of the minister. So what is the letter written to the chief minister doing at his house? Along with cash, all these things have been found. Give me a few minutes to break this down for our viewers. Now, it is common knowledge that transfer postings happen. For the first time, it is in black and white. Look at this list, for instance. There are 3 columns. This is name, place of posting, and the desired place of posting. Naam kahan hai, kahan jana hai. Let's look at the number 1 name, Kumar S. Abhinav, Grih Jila, Hazaribagh. Then the batch number. Right now, Mr. Abhinav is BDO Ghatshila. He wants to be BDO of Neemdih. Then the next name, Seema Kumari, Grih Jila, Home District Ranchi. She is posted at BDO Musabani. She wants to be the BDO of Chandil. Susri Smita Nagosia. The home district is Latehar. She is currently BDO Gudabanda. She wants to be a BDO at some other district. Names are mentioned. Then the ticks that you see here on the serial number. Now our sources are telling us, people who are privy to information, that people who've paid cash, there is a tick mark against their name. So how many names do you have on page 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And all the details, including the batch number, the home district, the place of posting, and the desired place of posting. Now, just think about it. What is this letter doing at the house help's home, residence? Let's look at document number 1. Pradeep Yadav, he is an MLA, and this letter, the subject line says Prakhand Vikas Padhatikari Hetu, the block development officer. Then you have 4 names here. Sri Maheshwari Prasad Yadav, BDO Jila Godda ko yathavat rakhna hai. Please maintain the status quo of this BDO. Point number 2, Muhammad Ejaz Alam, कार्यपालक दंडाधिकारी गोड्डा का सेवा ग्रामीण विकास विभाग को प्राप्त, बीडीओ सरायघाट जिला दुमका के पद पर. So change the post of this man. Then there is something scribbled here, BS or RS, I'm not quite sure. We'll get more details in some time. The number 3 on the list is Fuleshwar Murmu, second batch, BDO Jarmundi. The date mentioned is 8th August 2020. So this person is BDO posted since 8th August 2020. And what is the expectation? It is written in black and white. Apeksha, BDO Godda Sadar, Jila Godda. So he wants to be, this person wants to be BDO Godda. So he's written a letter to Pradeep Yadav and maybe paid cash. We don't know. But the letter along with cash, all this was recovered from this man's house, who's said to be the house help of the aide of the minister. Look at this one. A letterhead of the chief minister, Champai Soren, Mukhyamantri Jharkhand, and then there is a handwritten note, and this really gives away the plot. Shalini Salkho, BDO, the name of the place, लुक व्हाट इज रिटन अमिता, इन्हें यहां से हटाकर हजारीबाग या कहीं का जिला भेजा जाए, हटाना जरूरी है, इंपॉर्टेंट टू चेंज. And this is signed by Rajesh Thakur. Who is Rajesh Thakur? Rajesh Thakur is no ordinary man. Rajesh Thakur is head of the Congress unit in Jharkhand, which is why you have PCC, Pradesh Congress Chief. Now, the question is, now of the several questions that that people would want to ask, how's the state chief deciding the transfer or posting of the officials? He is not supposed to be interfering. It is the sole prerogative of the chief minister or the ministers concerned. Now, this note was also found at the house of this man where cash was recovered. And this is a recommendation in black and white. Now, people are telling us that the recommendation letter was only one part. The other part was cash. Perhaps that explains this amount of bundles of cash that the officials have found. Like I said, the cash haul is only the tip of the iceberg, and now a detailed investigation will reveal the rot. But we know the people or the high profile nature of people involved, including the chief minister's letterhead, the letters, their recommendation, and this note, for instance, the Congress chief of Jharkhand unit. Let's go to their Twitter handle. Now, this is the minister concerned, Alamgir Alam. Here is his cover photo. The man in the center, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi on either side. Official account of Minister Parliamentary Affairs, Rural Development. Now, the aide whose house was raided, Alamgir Alam, will be perhaps questioned in some time, or the trail will lead to him. Who's the other person we were talking about? Rajesh Thakur, President of Congress Jharkhand. Why was he recommending? And recommendation is one thing. In fact, Rajesh Thakur is now joining you. Amita, Rajesh Thakur, whose note we just showed, and this is the note.
Well, let me take up that question to him. Rajesh Thakur ji, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है सर?
आ रही है, बिल्कुल आ रही है.
राजेश ठाकुर जी, इतना बड़ी बरामदी जो हुई है, एक झारखंड के मिनिस्टर, उनके पीए के हाउस होल्ड हेल्प के घर से, सर, उसके पहले में जरा जानकारी दीजिए और फिर हम आपके बात करेंगे. आखिरकार सवाल पूछेंगे. जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स की भी रिकवरी हुई है उनमें सर आपका भी नाम बीच में आता हुआ नजर आ रहा है. सर, पहले आप क्या कहेंगे कैश रिकवरी पर?
नहीं, कौन से डॉक्यूमेंट में मेरा नाम आता नजर आ रहा है?
सर, आपकी सहूलियत के लिए मैं दोबारा आपको दिखा देती हूँ. प्रणेश इज कंटिन्यूअसली विद अस. प्रणेश, आखिरकार वो डॉक्यूमेंट जरा दोबारा दिखाइए राजेश ठाकुर जी को.
राजेश जी, अमिता, लेट मी आस्क हिम अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. राजेश जी, देखिए, ये एक नोट मिला है, इसमें आपने लिखा है, ये आपके शब्द हैं, ये तो पता नहीं, लेकिन आपका नाम जरूर है. इसमें लिखा है शालिनी सलखो, बीडीओ कटम दाग, इन्हें यहां से हटाकर कहीं और भेजा जाए, हटाना जरूरी है. ब्रैकेट में लिखा है, नीचे लिखा हुआ है श्री राजेश ठाकुर पीसीसी, और इसमें दस्तखत भी है, और जो तारीख है वो है 23/3/4/2023, पिछले साल का है. इस नोट के बारे में हमारी